Welcome guys back to my channel, Kiroji Gaming. Next month I think I'm going to be retitling my YouTube channel, and the reason for that is because I don't do that much gaming anymore, to be honest. That was more of a, a hobby, and I like to play video games. Who doesn't, when they're younger, but I've gotten to the point where I really don't play anymore. Actually, I work out of my garage. So I'm getting to the point where I can't work out of my garage anymore. I'm having to upgrade. I have been working out of my garage, like I said, doing services, like oil changes, some things, little things like that. I'm not too happy about doing all that stuff. I hate doing it, especially to customers. I don't mind doing my own cars, but for other people, that stuff, they can just take the Jiffy Lube and, pay the 30, 40, 50 bucks, whatever it is. But like I said, I'm having to expand because I have 2 cars that I'm trying to get rid of, and I have, my wife has her car and I have my truck, and I'm getting to the point where there's too many cars. I can't fit them here. And I'm getting to the point where I need more work. I'm getting, where I'm having a lot of downtime because, because I'm turning wrenches so much that I need more. I can do more. I feel like I'm getting held back because I need that shop. So like I said, next month I'm gonna open up a shop, start my own business. Luckily, I've been blessed and I've worked hard, and it took me about 2 years to save up. And slowly, like everyone says, what you have to do is you definitely have to buy tools along the way. That's a big thing. When I first started, I swear, the only tool that I had was this tool box, or this little toolbox. That's it. This is what I started with. This, like, no joke, that's all I had. A Cobalt. I bought it at Lowe's or Home Depot, one of the two. Same thing, but this is what I got. And out of all this time that I've had it, the only thing I ever lost was this 1/4 inch extension, and I believe this T27. So the T27 and this extension. The rest of the stuff I have inside the house. So. And I actually cut this on purpose because I needed it to be this long. I couldn't find something at the time, so I was like, I had to cut it. So, like I said, this is what I started with. Literally, that's it. Nothing else. Slowly, I've been buying little tools here and there. This polishing thing for the headlight. This rivet set. This wire wheel. I bought these 2 just for miscellaneous stuff that I have in here, like little screws and bolts. You never know when you're going to need some, so I like to keep it organized. The better you keep it organized, the better it is, because you know exactly where it's at, you know where you left it, and especially when you open a shop, you want to you want people to see that you're professional about your stuff, you care about your tools, you do things the way they should be done. You don't want to have a big mess and then have somebody come in and then they're like, oh man, my car is being taken care of by that guy. I don't really think he gives a crap. So, I like to be a clean person. I like to keep my tools clean. Every time I use them, I clean them. Literally, I wipe them down. See, like I said, I've had these for so long now. They're a little dusty from the ones that I don't use, and the ones that I do use, they got, they're nice and scraped up and stuff, but they're all here. I've only lost two little pieces out of this whole set, and I've had it for I don't know how many years, but I lost a clip here along the way, but this is what I started with, and like I said, I've been doing really well. I bought his shop vac. You don't have to buy expensive stuff. If you're starting out, you're not going to be able to anyway. So, buy a tool, replace it. If it breaks, buy another one, replace it, buy another one. You you can keep doing that. If now if you really need something that's going to be super like handy, that you really are going to use, and it has to be like for specifically whenever you're doing torque specs, I like quality tools to do my torque specs. So I got this Mac, and this is what I use to do my torque specs. See, so for good tools, you got to use good quality stuff. This is a smaller one. I think this is the one I had started with, and then I moved up to this one. But yeah, like I said, slowly but surely I've been growing my tool sets. See, I got all this stuff at the bottom, all still in boxes. I take care of my tools, literally. I put it right back in the box. I think these are paint guns, Husky ones. You know, I started with the Harbor Freight one. It's $5, and then I was like, you know what, I need to get a decent set. So I did. I got a decent set. I use them, and I just like to keep them clean. You know, they look brand new, clean. This one still got the tag because I don't really use that one, but I use this one. But it looks brand new because I take care of it. So along the way, I've collected tools. I've used everything. I like paints, especially spray cans. For me, I can get a spray can like this. It has any color that I want. So say I have a vehicle that I need paint for, I just take the color code, and they'll make the paint for me and put it in a spray can. Luckily, you know, I don't paint full cars. I don't paint, you know, a whole car. I'll do a bumper, a fender, you know, little things like that. So, and along the way, you know, sometimes I see some speakers that are on sale at like pick parts and stuff. I'll take them. You know, I'll take them because I've gotten cars that have blown speakers, so I'll put these speakers in there. I have a stereo. Let's see what I got back here. You know, these are decent. These are pretty good. This is a good brand. You know. So, like I said, I make some money. I put some money back into what I'm doing, which is I consider it my business. And you know, for things that really need to be spec'd, I buy good tools. Here's another one. Good quality stuff. And I have some other stuff. As you can see, I got a bunch of junk in here. Got rubber hose, more rubber hose, die set. This is a crank pulley set. I think these are C-clips. Let's see. You know, you don't have. I forgot where I got this thing from. But see. So. Know, if I see somewhere that I'm going somewhere that they have a deal, I got a lot of zip ties. You know, we got a lot of deals. I got a bunch of, you know, little things like this. Let me put this stand back. You know, all brand new boxes. Thread repair, more thread repair, some clamps. I got a bunch of thread repair, some more clamps. See, I like I said, I've you know, I put my money back into where I know where I'm gonna need it. I don't just go blow it, because guess what? You need a tool later on. You don't have it. Guess what? You're gonna have to go get it. Forget that. I buy tools as I've gone. Full tools and stuff. More stuff. Okay. More. I got the other sets inside the house. I've been working in there, so more tools. Craftsman, brand new, you know, brand new stuff. Not all of it's like Snap-on and stuff, but you know, Cobalt, you know, Duralast. Duralast expensive when you go to AutoZone. You need a specific one, you know, one little tool. You know, I got some Harbor Freight stuff, a lot of Harbor Freight stuff, and then more Cobalt. But like I said, you know, I got stuff hanging. See what I'm saying? So, you know, I've gotten all kinds of stuff. Here's some masks, more masks. Show you guys on this side. The drill bit set. I got this from Harbor Freight. I got this from Harbor Freight just last month. Little inspection camera. Stick inside the cylinders if you need. I got some wire. Look at this. This is where I like to keep my electrical stuff. More stuff. You know. This. You guys have seen my video of this. I use this all the time to clean everything. But like I said, you know, I got some more tools over here. Pressure washer. Is what I use to wash the car sometimes. This light. Got more tools inside this thing. Let's see. Here's some more stuff. But you know, see, I collected a nice set of stuff, and actually, when I opened my shop, a bunch of paper I'm gonna keep because I'm gonna use it for the back rims. Check this out, guys. Just got it. It's pretty badass. Boom. Brand new. I'm gonna throw that sucker in my shop. You know, brand new. Nice. Super nice. But see, like I said, all the work that I've been doing, the videos that I've been making, I've been showing you guys, you know, all those little jobs have led me to all the tools that I have now. You know, and I've, you know, and that's just the money that I've kept to keep my business going. You know, I buy more stuff, buy more tools. That's what I do, but I do keep some money for me on the side. Of course, I have to pay myself. So what you don't see is things that I do buy that aren't here, you know. For instance, a bunk bed I have still in the box for my daughter. We bought $1,000 table, dining table. That camera system that I installed because somebody broke into my truck twice since I moved here. Cost me about $1,000. So all those little things I've been able to do because I've been doing what I like to do. I love doing this stuff. Yeah, and I've been successful. Luckily, you know, I'm really good at what I do. So I don't show you guys everything. I try to show you guys what I can. And like I said, I just use my vape. But yeah, if you guys have any questions, let me know. I'm definitely going to, like I said, once I start next month, hopefully, if everything goes well, I'm going to discuss it with my wife a little more. But if we can get everything figured out and the way things are looking, I definitely need a bigger place. I have too much stuff here. You know, I don't have enough space. I can't even put that toolbox anywhere. I got too much crap in here already. But like I said, if you guys have any questions, I'll bring, you know, once I open up the shop, I'll show you guys how I set everything up and, you know, what it took me to open that shop and how, you know, what I had to get as far as insurance. I think I had to get a bond. And a few other things. I'll show you guys. But thanks for liking my videos. If you haven't, give me that thumbs down. and I hope I can progress, do a little better. And like I said, I'm not huge on editing, so sorry if I'm not. My videos aren't like the best of quality, but I do what I can. And if you guys, like I said, if you guys have any questions, please leave the comment down below. And please like my videos, subscribe, and I'll bring you guys along. I'll show you guys what I do. Hopefully when I open the shop, I'll have more videos, I'll have more. I just found my GoPro. I didn't know where the heck I left it. I looked for it all morning and I finally found it. And I think it's because it's because we moved. And once we moved, I boxed everything up and I forgot where I put it. Yeah. Like I said, subscribe. Give me that thumbs up. Till next time.